Hey everyone, is Microsoft Excel running painfully slow on your computer? Yeah, that can be super frustrating. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through several proven fixes to speed Excel back up. So let's get started. First, free up your computer's memory. Excel can slow down when too many apps are running. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, then close any programs you don't need right now. After that, check if Excel feels faster. Next, let's disable add-ins because some of them can seriously slow Excel down. Open Excel, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, select COM add-ins and click Go. Uncheck the add-ins and click OK, then restart Excel. If you're working with large spreadsheets, automatic calculation can cause lag, especially with complex formulas. Go to the Formulas tab, click Calculation Options, and switch from automatic to manual. Just remember to press F9 when you want to recalculate. Running an outdated version of Excel can also hurt performance. Go to File, then Account, click Update Options and choose Update Now. Once the update finishes, restart your computer. Yeah, this step actually helps a lot. Another common fix is turning off hardware graphics acceleration. Go to File, Options, then Advanced. Scroll down to the Display section and check Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Click OK and restart Excel. Finally, if your workbook is very large, try simplifying it. Remove unused formatting, delete unnecessary sheets, and avoid volatile formulas like now or today where possible. Splitting huge files into smaller ones can also improve speed, especially on older PCs, and that's it. These fixes usually make Excel run much faster. If this video helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.